Drinking. Yeah, a lot of drinking.
It's not that hard, Scott. Tell him, Wash.
It's incredibly hard.
Hey, anything worth doing is.
And I know how to do this job. I know how to get things done.
How dare you? You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words.
I went from happy to angry. Skip said, now I feel like kicking his ass.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
That day, for no particular reason, I decided to go for a little run. So I ran to the end of the road, and when I got there, I thought maybe I'd run to the end of town.
I'm a god.
You're God.
I'm a god. I'm not the god. I don't think.
You just don't get it, do you? You don't.
What he said to me, look what his branches don't know what he said to me.
Stay alive! No matter what occurs, I will find you!
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
What the fuck is going on here?
Drinking. Yeah, a lot of drinking.
We're done when I say we're done.